Dublin Coddle. A main dish from Ireland. Serves 4. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Lightly fry bacon until crisp. Place in large cooking pot. Brown sausage in some bacon grease or vegetable oil. Remove and add to pot. Step 2. Soften sliced onions and whole garlic cloves in fat, then add to pot with potatoes and carrots. Step 3. Vary the bunch of herbs in the middle of the mixture. Sprinkle with pepper. Step 4. Cover with cider. Cook 1.5 hours over moderate heat, do not boil. Garnish with chopped parsley. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.